Dhyanchandra will pass the midfield and now he's breaking through the defense and
Milka Singh beginning to get up as he races towards the finishing line. Tremendous cheer and
Wasim Akram attacking from the pavilion's end towards Tendulkar and
Going for goal! Cool, calm, collected, the consummate finisher.
goal! Dhyanchand!
And Milka Singh has done it. The Flying Sikh makes India proud.
And it's a six. The ball has gone out of the stadium. What a shot. Absolute cracker.
Is this what you call physical activity?
Do you want to perform badly in academics? Spending so many hours on TV and PlayStations?
Do you want to be obese?
Having junk and high-calorie meals daily? Do you want to remain unfit all your life?
Concentration,
Heart diseases, anxiety,
depression,
anxiety, stigmatization,
heart diseases,
concentration, depression,
anxiety.
stigmatization.
Ready, steady, go! Sports Education Development India Limited, SEDIL, is a Gen Next organization established in 2009, primarily envisioned to inspire each and every one to be a sports person. Established as a joint partnership between Kohinoor Group and Podar Enterprise, adorned with the strength of talented professionals in the field of sports, training and corporate management.
Physical education is not just a set of physical movements or exercises, as is the common belief, but it's a holistic process to develop the overall personality of an individual.
Research in developed nations shows that 80.5% of 5 to 10-year-olds and 94.7% of 11 to 15-year-olds engage in physical education and sports. However, the current rate of physical literacy in India remains low.
A physically literate individual moves with confidence and competence among multiple environments. How do we get this physically literate individual?
We intend to inculcate the physical literacy in our Gen Next to enable them to have the required knowledge, skills and confidence to enjoy a healthy lifestyle for lifelong under our various programs.
SEDIL ventures into 3 divisions: the Ready Steady Go, Cricket India Academy and Chess Cube. Ready Steady Go or RSG is the physical education and sports division of SEDIL. It is conceptualized to promote physically active lives through comprehensive, progressive and age-appropriate health and fitness programs with a vision to encourage and inspire each and every child to be physically fit and to play sports. RSG is an ecosystem imparting end-to-end physical education and sports solutions to schools.
The entire ecosystem of RSG has been designed and developed keeping in mind the academic compulsion and the various operational challenges being faced by schools in today's scenario.
RSG curriculum is built on the guidelines of National Association of Sports and Physical Education, NASPE USA. NASPE prescribes 60 minutes of moderate or vigorous physical education and sports activity to every child every day. However, 75% of students in India are not getting the required daily 60 minutes of curriculum time for physical education and sports training. The broad objectives of the curriculum covering 11 elements are motor skill development, boosting life skills, inbuilt knowledge, promoting healthy body fitness, understanding safety. The various activities designed in RSG, duly complemented with structured play equipments and props, ensure the development of desired skills. The unique proposition of RSG is that in all respects, its ecosystem further supplements the school's academic compulsion, along with the dedication and sincerity of its trainers, who are deployed in schools and have been trained accordingly to empathize with the school's academic compulsion. RSG's physical education trainers cum coaches are qualified, experienced and undergo its mandatory training program called Comprehensive Coach Training (CCT), which enables them to completely absorb the RSG program curriculum and its methodology to effectively deliver on ground. Health and fitness is an important part of the RSG curriculum.
Unfortunately, in India, we parents think that a well-fed child is khate pite ghar ka bacha. But unfortunately, that is not true. In fact, it's a very dangerous trend and a dangerous mindset as far as we Indians go.
RSG curriculum also configures a unique health assessment tool, the Health Scale.
The RSG assessment tool helps us to find out about the child's future developmental skills.
The program aims for a holistic development of kids for a fit and healthy life. RSG is a bouquet of physical education and sports